Rainbow Squad! Welcome back to Rainbow Squad Kids, the happiest place for fun, learning, and colorful adventures.
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bouncing ball by the bed. C is for cat with a curious face. D is for dog who loves to chase.
Look at the flowers!
E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for flowers that bloom in May. G is for garden where green things grow. H is for hat you wear on the go. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jumping on happy feet. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest with birds in flight. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for panda who climbs a tree. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun so warm and bright. T is for train that rides at night. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that sweetly plays. W is for whale who waves hello. X is for xylophone's musical glow. Y is for yellow, soft and sunny. Z is for zebra, striped and funny. Voice direction, singing a cute.